Well, in my case, it's all very new to me. Having my first partner, my first love team, having my first lead role, so it's very new and I'm really glad that Direct is guiding me all throughout the process and yung production, the staff, the bosses, they've been guiding me through the process of everything. And to give you a brief description of my character, Clyde is very antipathical, as you would say, very mysterious, very smart as well. Yun lang muna.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming sa media con namin. Thank you for making time. I'm really grateful. I'm blessed po to be part of this and ngayon isa na ako sa lead actors sa series na to. I'm really grateful po sa Viva, of course, to my bosses, kina Boss Vic, Boss Val, Boss Vernick, Boss Vincent, to everyone. Dahil binigyan po nila ako ng ganitong opportunity. Tagal-tagal ko rin pong hinintay na magkaroon ng ganitong chance sa show business and ito na yun. So, ayun, nape-pressure po ako pero mas nangingibabaw yung pagiging thankful ko for being part of this, for being the lead role naman. And yung character ko, si Sam, she's the social butterfly of the barkada. She's an extrovert, she likes to party, you know, to hang out with her friends. She's a model here. And I think yun pala yung mabibigay ko. Thank you.
Thank you. Congrats in advance.
Thank you.
I did the second book, yung Safe Skies Archer, and this is the fourth one already. You know, what I can say na they all are in the same world, but this one's very special and different as well. Kasi we deal with a lot of issues here. Finding yourself, technically, yung role kasi ni Aubrey dito, hindi pa alam kung anong gusto niyo gawin. Kung nabasa niyo yung book, no? Ganun yung challenges ni Aubrey dito na as Sam. And of course, dami yung issues ita-tackle here. If you guys know, you know. But of course, Abby's going to do that role very well. And ako, I'm just keeping the set really light and really fun just because ano na sila eh, merged na silang lahat. And it's just a positive, environment. And I'm really thankful na okay kami lahat, na nag-jive lahat ng cast namin. Kasi you really see the friendship in and out of camera. So, yun. Parang wala namang masyadong challenges, but I guess we're just staying faithful with the book. I think that's what all the fans want, no? And what I want to. But also parang, syempre, every season, pinapush pa namin to make it bigger and better. So hopefully, this one will exceed the expectations. Thank you.
Kumusta naman si Claudine and Abby Andrews or Claudine Barreto?
It's my first time working with them. They are lovely. Si Clau, of course, that's Miss Claudine Barreto. I'm so honored to be directing her, and she's just so sweet. She's so sweet on set. And you know, it's a little bit intimidating for all of us at first kasi Miss Claudine Barreto yan eh. And I think Aubrey should answer this because first day, her scene was with Miss Claudine Barreto. And how was your experience?
Umiyak po. Umiyak po ako sa takot. Pero before naman po, we had a scene together. I'm okay. Like, I'm doing a pretty good job naman. Like, one take. Ganon. Pero nung kasama ko na si Miss Claudine, like, dinner scene namin with Sir Bobby Andrews, nagpapanik na po ako inside. Kasi, hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin na, oh my gosh, cover ko si Miss Claudine, cover ko si Sir Bobby Andrews, tapos sila po yung parents ko dito, tapos I'm the lead role. Parang nagpatong-patong na po yung pressure, everything, excitement, lahat-lahat. So, I mean, that time, like, I can't act well talaga. So, direct parang, okay, again, and it was so like, nahihiya na po talaga kay Miss Claudine. Pero they were so nice, like, sobrang patient nila sa akin. Pero that time, nung nilabas na ako ni Direk para kausapin ako, sabi niya, how do you feel? Sabi ko, I'm nervous, as umiyak na lang ako. Tapos, ano lang po talaga, siguro pressure lang, kasi malaking project po to sa akin, and yung parents ko pa dito, like sina Miss Claudine and Sir Bobby, so mas doon lang talaga na pumasok sa akin na, oh, this is it na talaga. Like, different na those from other projects na nagawa ko. But I'm really, really grateful for that experience dahil kahit pa paano na-feel ko siya.
Okay, congratulations and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Ambet Nabos of Marites University. Next up.
Ulit kami dito. So, ayaw namin makita yung isa't isa. Ganon.
Pero of course, dun sa show, kahit pinapamukha ni Direk Gino na hindi ko siya hinahanap, syempre yung character ko, hinahanap.
For Elise and Sammy, I think it's like a little bit before they met, and then a little bit during yung ligawan stage nila. Right? Yeah.
Yeah, because 5 years ago yun eh. I remember we did a scene yesterday. So parang nililigawan ko lang si Elise noon. Tapos, yun. Pero syempre magiging current. And then, yun na.
Diba? Hindi, sa amin kasi, nung parang napapansin nyo, kung hindi pa nagsa-start yung book, parang hindi nila pinagtatagpo. Not until talagang book nyo na yung gagawin. So parang sa amin, so far, pabitin lang. I don't know if this time, siguro kasi kung group of friends lalabas, makakasama. Pero most of the time, hindi naman nila pinagtatagpo. So far, medyo wala pa isa. Diba?
Oo.
Sa amin naman, kay Hiro at kay Yana, as far as I remember, nasa out of the country yata si Hiro. Tapos, dahil madaming timeline ang itatakal dito for sure, every book naman may mga timelines. Andun yung si Hiro nasa nag-aaral, meron din yung, I hope, dito na yung ikakasal. Yung pagtataguan, I guess. Ayun. Na isa ka sa si Sam ang mga culprit kung bakit nawawala pala talaga yung ano. And kay Yana, as usual, nandiyan siya lagi kung paano si Sam kay Yana nung Six Guys Archer, I guess, ganun din si Yana.
And Abby.
Yeah, and Abby, kasi best friends kami dito ni Sam. So, ninang siya nung magiging anak ko, tutulungan niya ako sa pagtatago and everything. Like, siya talaga yung tumayong ama at the moment. Ina at ama pag wala ako, kaya wala si Hiro. So, yung support na binigay niya sa akin nung book 2, yun naman yung ipapakita ko, yung support ko sa kanya sa book niya.
Konti lang yung David Days. Parang puro inuman nata yung puro inuman. So, yun.
Hello, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. I think ang maganda kasi dito sa University Series, sa bawat libro, magkaka-merge talaga. So every season, may iba-ibang timeline. And each timeline, nagtatackle yung bawat challenges ng bawat character. So I think kahit ang focus dito, mas makikilala natin si Sam at si Clyden, meron pa rin pasulpot-sulpot ng mga challenges ng mga Univercada. Ayun. Thank you po.